Introducing the 2026 CUPRA Tavascan with 286B horsepower, an electric SUV that offers an unbeatable combination of power and style. This sleek grey beauty is packed with features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and collision avoidance braking for a safe and comfortable ride every time. With luxurious interior details like cup holders and ambient lighting, this vehicle feels like a home away from home. Plus, with security features such as ABS and lane departure warning, you can drive with peace of mind knowing you and your passengers are protected. This CUPRA Tavascan has undergone a full health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specifications, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Call us today or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information. Drive away in style and sophistication with the 2026 CUPRA Tavascan.